Hey, what's going on YouTube? Ty back with another video, and today we're doing a blog update for my blog. We're going to see the traffic, what am I doing different, and what's some new things I've learned. This is 3 full months of blogging, so I'm going to show you my traffic. I'm going to show you what am I doing right and wrong. Let's refresh this so we see the newest traffic bars. I'm using Jetpack because we can see the difference in the bars itself. And let's go to months here. So November of 18, I started blogging all the time. I started doing a blog post a day, and I got 1,102 views that month. In December, I got 1,239 views per month. So in these 2 months, I was doing blog posts a day. That's 60 blog posts between 2 months. I was blogging like crazy. And you see December went up to more. So I was expecting that January would be the same way. So this is the last day of January 31st. And I made 1,015 views this month. Okay, so it's not as good as December, but it's better than November. So it beats one of these months. So in January, I slowed down blogging and I went to a blog post every other day. So Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, that format. I went to that format. It was easy for me with a 5-month-old and working 40 plus hours a week. I couldn't do a blog post every day, so I decreased it to a blog post every other month. And these are my stats. Okay, so not bad for a month. Remember, you know, it's only 3 full months of blogging. Now I'm gonna talk about these months here, October and September. This since to February to end of October, I did not write no content. All I posted was YouTube videos. I would literally take my YouTube video, post it, give a title, write description, and that was it. That's all I did. And all these months here, you see these little views here, and then one of my videos shot really high in YouTube for some reason and brought me a whole lot of traffic. So I don't count this month. I didn't write no content. I can't count them, I don't count it here. This month, that same video was still getting a lot of traffic for some reason. My videos start picking up. So posting a YouTube video on your blog is not gonna hurt you. I wish I would have wrote some content with the YouTube video one and wrote content without YouTube videos. So I guess over 5 or 6 months, those videos started ranking on my blog. So so November is right. I really hit it hard with blogging. Okay, so some tips real quick, some quick tips. Number one, you could do a YouTube video for your blog post, but don't do what like I did. Make sure you write at least 1,000 words describing your YouTube video, talk about YouTube video, all that good stuff. Okay, so there's nothing wrong with doing that. Just make sure that you write content with your blog, with your YouTube video. Okay, but don't do it all the time, because you see here, I mean, no traffic at all to now I'm getting traffic to my blog posts is because I've done that. Number two, in January I started a Pinterest account for my blog. I post more on Reddit. I post more on Wix.com, Medium.com, Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus till it shuts down. Facebook fan page. I post my content a lot of places. I make YouTube videos based on my blog posts. Okay, so the traffic has gone down some, but it's okay because it's still, if I get 1,000 views a month, I'm doing okay. I'm expecting February to be a bigger month, as big as I ever have, because I'm still publicize my blog posts as much as I can. And recently I bought a new theme. I'm using the X theme right now. I bought that theme last week and I'm still playing around with it. I'm still moving things around. But let's view the new theme I got for my blog. TheXKing.com. Check it out. And as you see here, this is the blog. This is my son here. I wrote a blog post about him. But you see, I got a whole new blog. I'm still, going through the theme, learn the theme, but it looks really good. If you want to go ahead, if you want the X theme, to type in the X theme, and you can pull it up, pay for it. It's like $64. It took me, I'm still learning, but it took me a couple of days to learn it. Still here, you can, I have to add stuff down here below. But it's a good theme. I like the theme a lot. I love the little widget up here for my top blog post. But yeah, that's it for my 3 month blog update for 3 months. Let's go to my calendar real quick to show you that I have it on blog posts all of December, and this is real time. So we'll show today. I'm making this video January 31st. There's no blog post today, but you see here, I got a blog post going out every other day for a long time. And look at this, I got plenty of blog posts going out that ain't written all the way till May. Okay, all the way till May 17th. I'm good for 3 months. If I want to take a break from the blog, I can. This goes back to the past. As you can see here, I missed a couple of days in January, but mostly January and December, a blog post a day. As you can see, look at that, a blog post a day. As you see here, these are just videos I post on my blog in October. So November is really when I hit it hard. So I have blog posts a day. Okay, here, December, a blog post a day. And here, a blog post a day. So I slowed down. This is January. I'm doing a blog post a day in January, but now I'm slowing up. So January did have a lot of blog posts. This is January. I did have a lot of blog posts going out. I slowed down a little bit because it's hard to keep up. But my frequency of blog posts every other day. So yeah, this is how I run my blog. These are my stats. So yeah, that's it for the video. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, next month I'm expecting, my goal is to get 2,000 views to the blog and make some money. I'm trying to make $100 next month. My goal is to make $100 on my blog next month. That will pay for the theme for the blog, and I'm gonna do it with affiliate marketing. I might run an ad on my blog just to test it out, see how you set up an ad, and I might even do some other stuff as well. You know what I'm saying? A lead capture page, some emails. But yeah, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel and visit my blog as well. And I'll see you next time.